Welcome back. I'm here with Jimmy Newson talking small business. Our topic tonight is using AI to stop working below your pay grade. Um, Jimmy shared a lot of valuable insights and information, but a lot of times people need a brief summary or something to take with them that's bite sized that they can use to start implementing tomorrow. So, what are the three key things that people should take away from tonight?
All right. So, one, just make sure that you understand what the purpose and vision of the organization is, because without that, anything that I teach you or you learn from anybody, it won't be as effective. So, one, confirm that you do know what your purpose, vision, and mission is. Two, if we're going to stick to the theme of today, which we should, I suppose, look at your last 48 hours and write down the top things that you've done and analyze that and see where you're spending your time. If and because then third, drop that into the AI tool and ask it for suggestions on improving it. Ask it for suggestions on how you can start to do more valuable stuff as the CEO of your organization, and even ask for ways that you can get some of this stuff off of your plate and either automate it or give it away to someone else. Those are those three things. One, purpose, vision, mission. Two, analyze your last 48 hours. Three, leverage your favorite AI tool to analyze and give you next steps.